Welcome back, my friend, to Bopini channel. In this lesson tutorial, we will talk about image editing and adjustment. How to edit our image. We will go to here to photos, images, and choose from this image. For example, we can write fruits. Some we can choose like this one as an example. To edit this image, we can firstly zoom this image. We can click on Control plus and plus in your keyboard, and here you, or you can come here at the bottom, and you can maximize and minimize and maximize as ever you would like to do. Here you are. To edit the image, we can come here and click Edit Image. From here, we can make brightness. Look, it will become braids, and here become more black. Contrast. Look at the contrast. More colors. Look at it. And this one. Saturation. Look at the color, how it will be. Oh, if you'd like it to not be color, return back. And here you can make in the middle. We can see all here. This is for filters. You can choose what filter you would like. This is none, no filter. Epic, festive, solar, after, summer. You can choose whatever you would like to. Beauty, choose the best that suit your picture, that suit your, that desire you, that you'd like to put in your project. Okay, this is for filter. Return back to from filter. You can intensity, more intensity, less intensity. This is another option is Mockup. For example, you can see all smart Mockup for phone. We are having trouble loading small issues in the connection. This is we wait till we come. Look how your redesign will be. You can choose another one. This is Mockup. Like a picture, you can put your picture inside it to be like real one. Look at this one. And so forth. And so, for computers, Mockup for computers. Smart Mockup. This is for cards. This is an example. You can make a design and put it like that. A logo, whatever you would like. Frame and posters. Books. I choose one from those examples. And t-shirts, to see if you work in Merch by Amazon or Teespring or Etsy, and you make t-shirts, you can do that and see how does it will appear, max, etc, etc. We may cancel because it's not our main. Here we are doing how to edit the image and so on and so forth. We can choose whatever from here. We can also crop the image from here, choose whatever, and done. Okay, jump back. We can also flip it horizontal like that, and or flip it vertical. Okay, if you would like to avoid copyright or something like that, you can make that. You can also rotate the image. You can put it whatever you would like to put. You can maximize here. You can choose what to zoom it or not. Okay, you can make the picture bigger or smaller from here. You can here find the info about the image that you choose. It is free or not free, the keywords that the author of this picture make healthy, creative, fruits, colorful. You can add it to your folder if you would like to add it your project from here or create new folder. Those are some very important uh, icons that Canva put for users. You can animate as well and choose your animation for the picture. Uh, Look at how it will become, and so on and so forth. Anyway, I hope you understand and you comprehend the video that I give you about the image editing and adjustment. I hope you like it, and I hope you best if you like my video you can I hope you will like, share and subscribe, and see you later next video.